Good day everyone, I'm Chef Herbert Sofia and you are watching my YouTube channel again. And today, ipapakita ko na naman sa inyo ang mga secret recipe or mga ideas na magagamit nyo sa mga sunod na mga Asian dishes na lulutuin nyo. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to press like and subscribe. Alright guys, good morning once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today po, nag-set up kami ng lunch. And then, medyo 90% ready na. Chicken is done, nag-grill na yung pork, naka-set up na yung mga sides namin, mga garnishes and rice, nakaluto na. Then, like po, samahan nyo po ako, papakita ko sa inyo yung weather sa likod. Tara. Yan. So, once we go outside, dito sa likod, ayan po, it's negative 8 ngayon. So, nagsisimula na naman na bumuhos ang snow. Kaya, medyo pag lumalabas kami, minsan sa kusina, naka-jacket na kami kasi talagang napakalamig po. So, negative 8, masakit na sa kamay. So, kailangan naka-gloves. And then, pag umaga, eto po, yan. Yan makikita nyo. Nag-yelo na sila. Okay po, balik na tayo sa loob at talagang napakalamig na. Ayan. Alright guys, this egg yolk, ilalagay natin ito ngayon sa vacuum pack. Then isi-seal natin para mag-stay longer siya. So I think one pack, like, 4 pieces lang. Ganyan siya. Para siyang candy, ano? Ayan. Sisil natin. Alright. So, ito na po siya. Sealed na. So, definitely, it will stay longer. Vacuum sealer. So, ready na po itong cured egg yolk natin. So, na-sealed na. So, ito po siya. So, nakagawa ng 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 pieces ng egg yolk. So, after this, na-sealed na. So, make sure na i-label natin siya. So, cured egg yolk and the day-to-day. So, ganyan po yung ginagawa sa kusina. Para malaman natin kung kailan ginawa at kung hanggang kailan lang siya. Alright. Then alright guys, ito na yung salmon natin from Norway. So I ordered like 10 kilograms. So it's really fresh po talaga. Yan, salmon from Norway. Yes, pulang-pula oh. Grabe, sarap niyan. Alright guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo itong ginawa ni Blue. Ito, hindi to puto kalasyaw, ito yung pandan cake namin dito. It was steamed. Yan. So, tinikman na rin ng tropa, masarap naman. So, it's like 13 minutes. Yes. Panalo. Yan, very fluffy. Then yung pandan flavor talaga. Galing. Blue, galing mo Blue.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, success ka na naman dito. So alright guys, so yung lunch is na-set up na natin. Then ngayon, continuous kami ng misa ni Blue. So nag-iya ulit ako ng pork para sa char pork natin. So napakabango niya guys, kung nandito kayo. Meron itong anato oil or achete oil. Medyo pula, then smoke, paprika, yan, yun yung mga sikreto natin. Kaya lalong sumasarap. Ayan. Then, grill marks lang po dito. Then, papasok ko to sa oven. Ayan. For like 5 minutes. So, para mas maluto siya. And, hindi siya dry. So, grill marks lang po dito. Then, sa oven, mga 5 to 7 minutes. Yes. Depende po sa thickness. Ayan. So, ginagawa po namin yon para hindi mag-dry ang meat. Ayan. Then, dahil mahirap maglinis sa likod ng sa wall, so linagyan ko ng foil. Yan, para easy cleaning. Alright. Yan, ito naman guys, kasama to sa lunch, sa Buddha Yasai Marewase. So it is beef hummus, but I flavored with beetroot. So beetroot hummus. Yan, ito to sa favorite ko sa Mediterranean cuisine. So lahan natin ng salt and lemon juice. Then maganda sa beetroot hummus, medyo maasim-asim. So continue mixing. Yes. Alright. Yo. Then, tikman natin. Yan. Sarap. Grabe. Okay, beetroot hummus done. Guys, eto na. Nabalatan na ni Ate Jelay. Kinukuha na yung laman from our mga artichoke or Jerusalem artichoke. And then yung balat. Nandun po yung balat. Yes. Gagawin natin chicharon yung balat. Ayan. Alright, then dito tayo. Ito na yung pininaid natin na salmon. Then smoking for 2 more minutes. Ayan po. Ayan siya. Ayan. 2 more minutes pa yan. Then, ayan, rice. Alvin, ano na naman yung ginagawa mo?
Chuche sauce.
Chuche sauce. Sarap yan. One of the best of yan. Para sa prawns. Marami ba yung prawns? Uy, panalo. Sinigang na naman to, Bin. Ang lalaki, oh. Alright, at yung skin ng artichoke kahapon. So, tipito ngayon ni Camille. Nagawa ko ngayon ng vegan chicharon. Red Blue, tikman mo na. Ito na yung finished product natin. So, balat ng artichoke to. So, prinito namin, tinagal namin yung laman niya. Ginawa namin puree. So, ngayon, titikman namin ni Blue.
Authentic chicharon. Masarap. Para siyang danggit.
Oo.
Yes. Sarap siya.
Coriander. Right? Pretty coriander. Like Thai. No Thai base in it, right? Please. It's a Chinese dish. And spring onion. Then all main course goes with rice, alright? All main course goes with rice.
Coriander, sesame,
Yes.
salt,
Yes.
chilies.
Alright, double check. Beef, we got 150 grams, alright? Bell peppers, spring onion, pak choy, you know pak choy, right? The green one.
Okay, yes.
Then dried chilies, there.
Yes.
Cashew nuts in, sake in, minced garlic in, ginger oyster sauce. That's the sauce that goes with this.
This one.
This one.
Alright? Siranyo ruo, alright? AKA cumin beans and mushroom, correct? Then garnish because it's Christmas season. Beetroot, green apple, the one you made. Then then sesame seeds, right? Then put something like this. Something quick, crunchy. And of course, don't forget chilies, right? Some garnish.
So is it the beetroot is marinated or
No.
just cut only? Just fresh.
Okay. That's salmon tinapa. Alright guys, again, continue tayo. Galing sa kusina, dire-diretso tayo sa office. So this is my office here, sa same. So continue tayo, hindi lang pagluluto. So gagawa tayo ng mga schedules. Ipaplano natin yung mga lunches natin, mga sa breakfast, and then of course a la carte. We're planning to change it on January, so pinaplano ko na ngayon. So of course, pag nag-office ako, so I like to hear some music. And alam na alam nyo itong tugtog na to. Hear it. Yeah, no? So, eto yung time ko na nag-relax kahit papano. Kasi from the lunch, busy na yan. Then, medyo may break. Pa-konti-konti. Like from 3 o'clock to 4:30 is a quiet time na, so may time ako gumawa ng paperworks, then pupunta ako dito. So pinaplano ko lahat yung mga tao kung anong mga gagawin nila, especially for next week lunch. So I need to emails suppliers, so medyo pressure din pero enjoy kasi passion ko tong pagluluto and I really enjoy cooking. So, mga side na lang itong mga to, but it's really important pa rin, especially mga sales, yung mga numbers, hours. So, as a head chef, medyo yun ang mga dapat kong gawin. So, then earlier, gumawa na ako ng schedule and then matraining natin yung mga bagong chefs. We are heading to Christmas season. It's gonna be busy, but now, natapos na yung training sa kanila. So hopefully, maalala nila and then they can like plate the dish kung ano yung kung paano ko tinuro sa kanila. So I'm not super strict with that as long as yung flavor is nandoon. And yung mga elements, anyway, they have like, how do you call it? They have a list like this, like a prep list. Mga kusinero, meron mga prep list yan. So, pinakita ko sa kanila isa-isa. So natulad niyan, meron kami ng pork ribs, meron plagoon, Korean fried chicken, burgers, bao buns, and a lot more. So this is only for paisto or hot area. So then I have time to as well to eat. Tulad niyan, merong extra na bao buns. Yan, kain tayo. Very good. Sabi ng isang trainee, Chef, it looks like burger. Yeah, it's a Chinese burger. Kain tayo. Then, after paperwork, babalik ako sa niya. Check, double check, triple check na okay yung mga team. As long na masaya yung team ko, approved sa akin, correct? So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, please comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, everyone. Alright guys, the food tasting is done for our new chefs and hope you like it, and if you learned something, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Alright guys, inuman muna tayo. Medyo same sila, Rocco Jean, pero Thai base sila nagay. Ito brown, ito green. So ngayon tinitingnan namin ano nangyari, what happened to the situation. Why do you like to work at Sing
I
Sing?
enjoy here, Herbert. It's one of the best places I ever been in my life.
Oh my
I love
God.
all the people and all the, you know, that common sense and everything in our work, you know, and very professional. I have a lot to learn from you.
How about the food?
It's amazing. It's amazing.